If you exist, then maybe you asked yourself, from where came the universe and where does it goes? A good question. Most people will not follow this thought because the case is too heavy to overview. From our point of view, not easy to figure out. But it seemed that it is like this. This 13.7 billion years old universum is a light speed fast space-time bubble. From one moment to another it came to existence. Time and space starts from a very little point. It came out of another space or dimension. It looks like that it came out of an over light speed fast space and fall to under light speed. To create space and time. An over light speed fast space is a hyperspace. The border to hyperspace is at every point in the universe and defined by the speed of light. If you look at that point, that you need nearly endless energy to bring just a tiny piece of matter to the speed of light. You can turn it around. That the same energy gets free when a tiny bit of hyperspace energy falls under light speed. We have a new universe. But what comes then? Where does the universe goes? We know it expands. It expands faster and faster. But why? It can be that hyperspace wants the energy back. And it seemed that the way is expanding. In much more time than black holes emit themselves completely into microwaves in years with more than 100 zeros after the number. And in much longer times the expanding speed reach the speed of light. Space and time goes back to hyperspace. This is one possibility it can be. But I know no other theory that is elegant like this one, the Friedrich-Olshausen theory. And this was what it deals around here. A possible next step can be to extrapolate this. It looks like that hyperspace will be really huge. Huge enough to keep endless count of universes. And the maximum speed in hyperspace will define the border to the higher super-hyperspace, which can contain multi-hyperspaces and so on. Thinking bigger will be not easy. It seemed that we are inside a bubbling room. Bubbles over the different dimensions of speed the whole time. Different kinds of hyperspaces expanding with different speed, and the universes inside them are affected by this. The amount of energy and the expanding rate of the hyperspace and what they are inclined to define maybe the laws of nature inside them. This is maybe how it works, but how does it looks from the outside? Does an outside exist? And how much speed is needed to get outside? And is the whole thing intelligent? Maybe some masters of meditation can find out. We can just enjoy the exotic feeling of existence. It looks like a wonder that we are here. And that's why all the people on this blue pearl in our tiny solar system should live in peace. And sometimes party the exotic wonder of existence. Many thanks to my biggest inspiration, Lady Brunsell. And to all the scientists that find out what we know now. About all this energy that form our universe and all its beauty. This content is new and automatically copyrighted by Intermind. Please like and follow the channel. One of the next. The Planet Big Glass Pearl Game, How to Create a Positive Vision. For the planet.